Welcome to the Canvas Collection gated neighborhood at Belterra. Whether you're looking for a dark modern farmhouse, a Spanish-style home, or a light modern farmhouse, we've got one that's just right for you. Each home features gorgeous tile flooring, dark Java cabinets, and bright white quartz countertops. Front yard maintenance is included, and you're just steps away from a gorgeous community pool. Each of these Canvas 10 move-in ready homes feature 3 bedrooms plus a home office, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. These Canvas 10 move-in ready homes combine all of Granville's signature features into a more affordable and efficient home. Plus, each of these homes features instant home access for your chance to take a tour on your own time. Contact our Belterra sales office for more information.